Hello Zulu, how's everything? So today I will explain you the implementation of the abstract class that you propose in the task. So for that I create a folder called models. Inside of it I have the geometry figure that is the abstract class implementation. In this one I implement this builder to receive the name of the figures. Um, I use protected because it allow only call this constructor from the child classes. I implement um, the public methods like get area, get perimeter, and of course the toString to show us the output of the execution of the program. And it's also important to mention that this abstract class works like a contract, and it defines what a geometry figure must do, but leave is it to its specific figures like a circle or square to decide how to implement it. We see we will see it in the code. For example, in this one in triangle, we have the class triangle that we implement an inheritance from rectangle. It allows us to use the properties of the methods that is declared in this rectangle class. So for triangle class, I implement the different fields, private, the builder, and the method C and H, like more of the people known like as setters and getters. In this line 23, we can observe the behavior of the method that we implement in the abstract class. It it know like a polymorphisms. So we observe the override to implement a specific operation for this class, and if we see another one, we have an different behavior for this other class. For example, parallelogram has another operation. The same for get perimeter. Also I implement validate for the different classes. Yeah, all of them is very similar, the implementation. And regarding the diagram, I have to implement bash scripting because, as I mentioned before in the previous videos, it might be different to implement it like in Visual Studio in a automatically way. So I have to write this scripting, and then I can generate this this information to visualize the diagram. In the diagram we can observe the properties, the methods, the class. This is the abstract class. We can see the arrows that show us the inheritance dependent of the classes. Also, I implement a README with the instructions and the information about this project. And the last, we can run the project to check the outputs. So here we have the information. Thank you so much.